Finn MACCOOL and the Giant's Causeway. What it is. The Giant's Causeway is a bridge of rocks between Ireland and Scotland. It is made up of tens of thousands of tall pieces of rock. Most of the pieces have 6 sides that fit together and make a surface people can walk on. They can't walk to Scotland, though, because most of the Giant's Causeway is under the sea. According to an Irish legend, a very powerful giant called Finn MACCOOL built the causeway. The legend. Once there were 2 giants. Finn MACCOOL lived with his wife in Ireland, and Benandunna lived across the sea in Scotland. They were enemies, but they couldn't cross the sea to fight. Then one day, Finn had an idea. He threw rocks into the sea to make a bridge long enough to reach Scotland. After this, he was too tired to stay awake, so he went to sleep. On the other side of the sea, Benandunna started running across the bridge. Finn's wife couldn't wake her husband up, so she dressed him in baby's clothes. When Benandunna saw the sleeping baby, he imagined the huge size of the father and was rather terrified. He ran back home over the causeway, and as he ran, he pushed down the rocks to stop Finn following him to Scotland. The science. Scientists believe that the Giant's Causeway is the result of a volcanic eruption over 50 million years ago. The boiling lava pushed up through the ground and cooled into the shapes we can see today. So, what do you think? Is the Giant's Causeway a wonder of nature? Or is it a mysterious place of myth and legend?